Polyurethane adhesives or polyurethane coatings. A problem often occurs. It thickens before construction can begin, resulting in uneven spraying and many bubbles. The construction window time is directly related to the final product quality and production efficiency. Shanghai Jiuzhou successfully developed modified 3A molecular sieve activated powder to solve this problem. Its working principle is simple and efficient. The first step is to precisely capture moisture. The product is like a high-precision molecular sieve, eliminating the possibility of bubble generation from source. The second step is to stabilize the curing reaction. Eliminates surface catalytic activity, ensuring the curing reaction proceeds smoothly. The product brings extension of application period, verifiable improvement effects, decreased bubble rate, consistent curing time, and improved adhesion. The application of this technology is expanding to more fields. Wind turbine blade glue, stable curing performance in complex outdoor environments. Electronic potting glue provides reliable protection for precision electronic products. Building sealant, meet construction requirements in different climates. The adjusted polyurethane glue adapts to various complex scenes. Jiuzhou adsorption material, make the world purer.